Hello little artist, I'm Mariana Olson and today we're drawing a turkey. Are you ready? Let's do this! Okay, let's start on the top of the paper and we're gonna do first a half a circle. We're gonna start right here and we're gonna go super slow up and then down and we're gonna stop right here. The next thing is gonna be the beak. We're gonna do a curved line and then we're gonna go down, kind of like a triangle shape, but it's very round, okay? The next thing is the eyes. We're gonna do two big circles. This is the first one and the second one. And inside of those circles, we're gonna do half a circle. It's gonna look like this. And I'm putting mine on the right side of my first circle. And then we're gonna fill this up with black, okay? There. Now we're gonna do here the shape, this piece of, I'm not sure how it's called, but it's just a piece of his skin that hangs from the beak. And now we can close the head. We're gonna go close here and close over here. And now from this point, I'm gonna do kind of like a letter U, the cross and joins with the other side. Now for the body, we're gonna do a circle that goes all around, okay? And this is gonna be a big one. So let's go here and down and go up again. The next thing is the legs. Let's do two little lines here on the bottom. We're gonna do two and then another two. We're leaving a space in the middle. And now for the toes, we're gonna do a letter C, then a letter U, and another letter C. This one is a backward C. And on the top, I'm putting another curve. Let's do it again. Letter C, letter U, and backwards letter C. And a curve on the top. Good. Now the wings are just half a circle. So let's do half a circle on the left, half a circle on the right. Now, I'm gonna do here the tail. Let's start with a diagonal line that goes in behind on the left side. Do the same thing on the right side. And now let's do letter U's, upside down U's on the top. It's gonna look like this. Look, it's 1 and 2, 3, and let's do one more, 4. Now let's start on the bottom and the other side. This is gonna be tricky, but let's go 1 and 2, 3, and one more, 4. There. And I think I can fit another one here, maybe. Let's just leave it like that for now. And let's put a line here that is gonna cross all the top. It's a curved line. And here, let's put one more, just like a curve. And we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna cross a line on the top of the feathers. Just like this. And we're gonna do a second one, really close to the first one we did, just following the same line, just across the top, okay? The last detail is gonna be do letter U's or shapes of U's, and the chest, I did 3 here. And we're gonna do 4 on the bottom. It's just letter U's that go together. There. The last step is gonna be the feathers on the top. We're gonna do 2 letter U's, upside down U's, and that's it. We've finished, and now my favorite part, let's color. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.